Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the big surprises coming to you in the year 2024. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. But if you're looking for a reading personalized to your current situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account, and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need some clarity or confirmation, especially in making decisions. My favorite psychic from Keen has always been very helpful, and her insights always fit my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading you could ever have online. Imagine it's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Virgo, let's see what are the big surprises coming to you ngayong 2024. Excited na ba kayo sa taong 2024? Ano yung inyong mga hopes, wishes, dreams? I-comment nyo dyan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check my Shopee link on the description. Okay, Virgo, let us see ano ang big surprises for you. Trust. Oh, I am safe, I am secure, in love, I trust, my faith endures. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, magmamahal muli. Oh, yung mga nasaktan in the past, maaring nag-undergo na kayo ng healing, tapos ngayong 2024, you are trusting again in love. Ayan, in love, I trust. Your faith endures. Okay, let's see ano pa. Passion, o, diba? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong romantic connections, napapasukin. I think this is fated, no? Fated romantic connection. So, para to doon sa mga, matagal nang walang relationship, and you feel na akala nyo, wala na talagang darating. So, masusurprise kayo kasi meron pa pala. So, some of you naman, kung hindi naman to relationship, example, meron ka na talagang jowa. So, this is about you trusting yourself na, kumbaga, to give it a shot, no? Pagdating sa explore what you are passionate about. This can be sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Oo, babalik yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Wow, ang ganda naman ng may victory. Meron kang celebration. Yes. So, may panalo, no? This can mean, pwedeng literal, meron kang sasalihang contest at ikaw ay mananalo. And this is also about winning in life. So, yes, maraming, reasons for you to celebrate ngayong 2024. So, let's see ano pa. Tignan mo, cups to. Cup. Sa tarot, yan parang Ace of Cups, like a new beginning of a romantic connection. Okay, So, I think this is a very successful relationship na papasukin nyo sa 2024. Let's see what else. Uy, may outcome. O, meron ka talagang achievement. Finishing first. So, ano to, parang first prize, ikaw yung winner, feeling relieved. Meron ding endings and culmination. So, there's a sense of achievement for you in 2024 na, ano siya, merong completion, merong project ka na mako-complete, mga requirements na mako-complete for 2024, whatever, kung ano man yung mga ipupursue mo. And ano to, winning. You're going to win. Meron din ritong resources. Ayan. So, I think you're going to be very energetic ngayong 2024. Yung mga pangangailangan mo, it will be provided para sa'yo. And even the people na umaasa rin sa'yo, kaya mo ring mag-provide para sa kanila. Yes. And meron din ditong self-assessment. So, self-improvement. I think magfo-focus ka rin sa pagpapaayos ng iyong sarili, no? Yung iba may enhancement, physical appearance, no? Enhancement ng physical appearance, or kumbaga mas magiging conscious ka sa sarili mo, the way na manamit ka, the way na express mo yung sarili mo. Oh my God, Virgo, meron talagang relationship. So, Flamingo, soulmates. Yung iba sa inyo, you are going to meet your soulmate ngayong 2024. If you are not in a relationship, no? Malaking possibility niyan. And if you are already in a relationship, I think yung relationship nyo is mas lalong magiging solid, no? Yung samahan ninyo. Some of you are already connecting with your soulmate. Long-term potential. And then, meron din ditong baggage. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, magta-travel through air. Oo. Meron kang preparation na gagawin. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo siguro, I'm seeing this as madidestino ka somewhere else eh. Or meron kang ipupursue na ibang career na kailangan mong mag-travel papunta doon. Oo. And then, I also see this as yung kung meron kang mga damit sa bahay na hindi mo na ginagamit. Oo. Maaring i-let go mo na yan. Kasi, meron yung mga energies na stagnant, no? So, syempre for 2024, we want a fresh start, 'di ba? So, some of you will let go of the things na hindi nyo na ginagamit para mag-make space for new ones. So, let's see what else. Grabe kayo, Virgo. Very prominent talaga ang romantic connection for you. You have the Lovers. Yes. This is commitment. So, papasok ka sa isang seryosong commitment. Some of you talaga soulmate connection. Yung iba, posibleng kayo ay mag-aasawa. And this can also mean a business partnership, no? But most of you, this is about romantic connection. See, may the world. The world is about travel din, no? So, maaring meron kang opportunity to live abroad. So, tumira sa ibang bansa. Possible din na you are going to deal with someone na foreigner. Or kayong family or kayong magjowa magre-relocate kayo sa ibang lugar or sa ibang bansa. Oo. Meron talagang achievement for you, Virgo. You have the Page of Pentacles. May mga pag-aaralan ka, i-research related sa trabaho, sa career mo. Yung iba sa inyo may sisimulang business. Maliit lang yung simula, pero malaki yung potential niya na lumago pa. O, diba? Speaking of, alam nyo, sa lahat ng reading, ito yung pinakamagandang reading na nakita ko. Six of Wands. This is about success. So, meron ditong meron kayong achievement na kung saan kayo ay i-recognize sa galing ninyo. Marami kayong mga admirers. Oo. Wow. Napaka-successful ng 2024 for you, Virgo. Lalo na if you are in, yung nasa public, you're in a public speaking, ano ka yung tawag dyan? Nasa public, working in public, something like that. Oo. And then sabi rito, you create your own reality. What you want wants you to. What do you want to experience? Yes. So yung manifestation abilities ninyo, on point yan ngayong 2024. So samantalahin nyo yan. And always think for the good things to happen for you para yun yung mas ma-manifest ninyo. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.